Student on target of e-study channel. This is second lecture on digital logic families. In last lecture, we learned about introduction of logic families and second point is classification of logic families. In this lecture, we learn about the third point is characteristics of logic families. Characteristics of logic family, that means characteristics shows the comparison between different logic families. There are 9 characteristics of logic families. The first one is propagation delay, second one is power dissipation, third one is speed of operation, fourth one is fan out, fifth one is fan in, sixth one is noise immunity, seventh one is figure of merit, and eighth one is voltage and current parameters, and last one is operating temperature. We learn one by one. Let's start characteristics of logic families. The first characteristics is propagation delay. Propagation delay means time taken by the signal to propagate from input to output. For example, I take one NOT gate. Here, this is the input and this is output. When we apply signal to a input, after some delay, it appears at the output. This time taken for signal pass from input to output after some delay. This delay is called propagation delay. Suppose this signal is input is applied to a NOT gate. We know that the function of NOT gate is invert the input signal. So the output waveform is this. This wave is inverted. There is a transition. There is a logic high. Logic high. And this point is logic low. This level is logic low. At output, the transition from this level is logic low. And this level is logic high. When input goes from logic high to logic low, then output, after some delay, output goes from logic low to logic high. And when input goes from logic low to logic high, then output goes from logic high to logic low. How to calculate delay time? The delay time or propagation delay are measured between the 50% voltage level of input and output waveform. So what is meant by 50% voltage level? This 50% voltage level means those voltage when input goes from logic high to logic low and output goes from logic low to logic high. This level is called threshold voltage, means 50% voltage. And the difference between 50% voltage level of input and output means this level. The difference between this input and output. This propagation delay is referred by TP LH, means low to high. That means output goes from low to high. And this level, this difference is measured by propagation delay, high to low. That means output goes from high level to low level. Propagation delay, it is the propagation delay, it is the average transition time of signal from input to output. Average means this addition of these two time period. Take the average of this two level. TP is the propagation, total propagation delay is the TPLH plus TPHL divided by 2. This is the total propagation delay. Second point, speed of operation is specified in terms of propagation delay. It defines operating speed of IC. Propagation delay define operating speed of IC. Less propagation delay, more the speed of operation. Vice versa. That means high propagation delay, low speed, and low propagation delay, so high speed. So it is necessary the propagation delay is minimum. Propagation delay is measured in terms of nanosecond. In this lecture, we learn propagation delay. I hope you are understand. In next lecture, we learn more about next characteristics, and this is power dissipation.
ट्रॅक्टरनं घोडा लावला आहे.